how to connect CoinDCX to TradingView. So there is technically another way you can do this, and if you want partial automation in a way, since the only workaround is using TradingView alerts plus third-party bots that support CoinDCX using a API if it is available. One bot that can do this is going to be Next Level Bot over here. So go ahead and register yourself to this tool and this bot in order for you to enter the dashboard, and of course logging in. Go ahead to your API credentials and choose to add API. You're gonna go ahead and find CoinDCX, which they do support along with their trading views. So with that, just go ahead and add your API for your CoinDCX, and then you would create alerts in your trading view. So you can send them via webhooks to a bot, which will be your next level bot, and then you can let this bot execute trades on CoinDCX. However, CoinDCX does have limited third-party bot support, and one of them will be the next level bot over here. So you can go ahead and start with this. But that's pretty much one option you can do if you want to technically connect your CoinDCX with TradingView. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.